Your Peach Street hand blender is a whizzing 500-watt immersion blender that enables you to whip up the creamiest soups, perfect purees, and smooth sauces, as well as restaurant-worthy smoothies and milkshakes. Designed with your home and kitchen in mind, the comfortable grip and one-touch operation makes your labor of love smooth and easy. There's an ultra-sharp 4-point stainless steel blade and an optional turbo button that lets you choose regular or powerful high-speed blending. The special splatter-proof head makes the process deliciously mess-free. Cleaning is a breeze. So enjoy the smells and flavors that make a house a home. Choose from a variety of colors, the one that's truly you. Peach Street, welcome to the neighborhood.